Eating a balanced diet is crucial for our health. Over 50% of women lack essential vitamins. Vitamins boost energy and balance hormones. Navigating vitamins can be overwhelming. I'm here to simplify it for you. Let's dive in. Let's talk about iron. Iron is the superhero of your blood. It carries oxygen, essential for energy. Without enough iron, you feel tired and weak. Ladies, replenish iron lost during menstruation. Get more iron from leafy greens, lentils, beans, and lean meats. Pair with vitamin C for better absorption. Next, let's talk about vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it in response to sunlight. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health, immune function, and even our mood. Now, many of us don't get enough sunlight, especially during the winter months, which can lead to a deficiency. The good news is that we can get vitamin D through our diet as well. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are excellent sources, as are fortified foods like milk and cereals. And if you're concerned about your vitamin D levels, talk to your doctor about getting tested and potentially supplementing. Let's move on to another important B vitamin, vitamin B12. This one is essential for healthy nerve function, cell growth, and the formation of red blood cells, which, as we learned earlier, are crucial for carrying oxygen and keeping our energy levels up. 1. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products like eggs, meat, poultry, and dairy. 1. So, if you follow a vegan or vegetarian diet, it's important to include fortified foods like plant-based milk, or nutritional yeast in your diet, or consider taking a B12 supplement. Remember, B12 deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and even neurological problems, so it's not something to take lightly. Now let's talk about a type of healthy fat that's essential for our overall well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats play a vital role in heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. But that's not all. Omega-3s are also crucial for brain health, supporting cognitive function, memory, and even mood regulation. Amazing, right? To increase your omega-3 intake, make sure you're including fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel in your diet at least twice a week. Other great sources include walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. You can also talk to your doctor about an omega-3 supplement if you feel you need an extra boost. Let's move on to a vitamin that's always in the spotlight, vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant boosts your immune system and protects cells from damage. It's essential for collagen production and helps absorb iron. Vitamin C is found in many delicious fruits and vegetables. Citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers are excellent sources. Let's talk about another powerful antioxidant, vitamin E. This one works hard to protect our cells from damage, keeping our skin healthy, boosting our immune system, and even supporting eye health. Vitamin E is found in a variety of nuts and seeds, making it a delicious and easy addition to our diets. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are all great sources, as are avocados and spinach. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of nuts or add some avocado to your salad to give your body that vitamin E boost. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about calcium and vitamin K, the dynamic duo for strong, healthy bones. Number 1, calcium is a mineral that's essential for building and maintaining bone density, while number 2, vitamin K helps our bodies absorb and use calcium more effectively. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are all excellent sources of calcium. But if you're lactose intolerant or follow a vegan diet, you can still get your calcium from plant-based sources like fortified almond milk, tofu, leafy green vegetables, and almonds. Vitamin K, on the other hand, is found in leafy green vegetables like kale, spinach, and collard greens, as well as broccoli and Brussels sprouts. So there you have it, the essential vitamins every woman needs to know about. Remember, taking care of our health isn't about drastic changes or complicated diets. It's about making small, sustainable choices every day that add up over time. By incorporating more of these vitamin-rich foods into our diets, we're giving our bodies the nutrients they need to thrive. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your go-to vitamin or supplement, and how has it impacted your health? Share your tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, and check out my next video on creating a balanced diet for women's wellness. See you there!